Meaning of heterotrophic.
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 Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic refers to organisms that cannot produce their own food and therefore rely on consuming other organisms or organic matter for energy and nutrients. Unlike autotrophs, which use photosynthesis or chemosynthesis to create their own food, heterotrophs require a source of preformed organic molecules for survival. This includes animals, fungi, and certain bacteria. Heterotrophy is an essential process within ecological systems, as it allows for the recycling of nutrients and energy between different trophic levels. Overall, heterotrophy plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance and sustainability of many ecosystems.